I'm at 798 Crawford Court. This is in the heart of the Tremont neighborhood. So we've got a low maintenance yard with a great patio area. It's like some nice outdoor spaces you'll see, and we'll go see this later on. There's a second story porch here. This house comes with 2 parking spaces. There's one right here, and there is one here. So we've got the side door. The renovation on this took place about 5 years ago. We still have tax abatement on this, which is an awesome thing to take advantage of. Let's head inside. Got this beautiful wood door, wood floors, open floor plan. Got some other wood accents in the house, but lots of space here. Got the dining room set up, office set up. There's that side door, kitchen, and they've even got a little space for a workout room, weights, connected back into the living room. Got great cabinets, granite counters, stainless steel appliances. And then there's also, it's kind of like, seems like it's small, but it is not small. We've got this great pantry, so it's big and deep. And we also have these shelf accents with the wood and the metal pipe holding that stuff up, which is, it's a neat accent. We've got the half bath. Again, just to give you a perspective of the whole floor plan. And let's head upstairs. Got a nice wide stairwell going up. Tall ceilings. Guest bedroom. Again, we've got the wood accent. We've got 2 full baths upstairs. We have the barn door concealing the laundry area. There's actually, it's big enough to get some space in there, so it's not just laundry, but you can have some storage of your laundry detergent, etc. Large owner suite, again with the wood accent. And then we have this beautiful master bath, linen area, double vanity, double-headed shower with tile floor and tile walls. The other thing we have is a large walk-in closet. Well organized, so you can just start putting your stuff in here. And there's this beautiful glass and wood door, that barn door that shuts off the closet. I think it's just really a neat door. So the other thing, as I pointed out earlier, is we have this outdoor space on the second floor. And here that is. This is like really kind of a neat space because you're up in the tree and it makes it, really kind of private. It's small, but yet there's quite a bit of room. I know that the current owners, their dog loves it up here, but it's just kind of a nice space to chill out and look over the neighborhood. Okay, that's all I got.